Are your plants looking weak and lifeless no matter what you do? What if I told you there's a simple 3-ingredient method that can transform your dead soil into plant paradise in just 24 hours? Most gardeners struggle with poor soil that won't support healthy plant growth. You water, you fertilize, but your plants still look weak and struggle to thrive. The real problem isn't your plants, it's your soil. Today I'm sharing a biochar activation method that's been used for centuries but is rarely explained correctly. This 3-ingredient hack will give your plants the deep, strong root system they need to flourish. Here's exactly what you need: biochar, cornmeal, and cardboard. For optimal results, use a 1.3 ratio, 1 part biochar to 3 parts cornmeal by volume. For example, mix 1 cup of biochar with 3 cups of cornmeal, then add water gradually until it feels like a wrung-out sponge. For application, use about 1 cup of this mixture per square foot of garden space. That's roughly 3 to 4 cubic feet of biochar per 100 square feet. Spread the activated biochar directly where your plants grow, either around existing plants in a 2 to 3 foot radius from the stem, or in areas for new crops. Cover with cardboard, overlapping the sheets by 6 inches, then add 2 to 3 inches of mulch or compost on top. Finally, soak the cardboard with 1 gallon of water per square yard to help it break down and create that perfect moist environment. Now watch how your plants respond to this treatment. You'll notice deeper roots, stronger stems, and those vibrant green leaves that stay healthy all season long. So, give this method a try and let me know in the comments how your plants respond. And don't forget to subscribe for more organic gardening tips that actually work.